Hello, I know say many of you know this man wey dey call Fubara. So he's here to inspect some things wey dey happen inside this his factory. You understand? Not only that, he even go around the street, looking around, go around the street, visiting some guys, giving them, showing them love. You understand? So I brought down the video for you to watch, which I don't want to say much. Thank you. Let's go there.
Good afternoon, Your Excellency. You're welcome. Proceed into the hopper, across the conveyor belt into the washer. The washer washes the cassava tuber.
Washes the cassava tuber, and then the tuber is chopped, rasped, and decanted, and the cassava cake comes out.